So these are my 3M WorkTunes headphones with Bluetooth capability. And why I like these so much, first is the fit. All right, so my head is kind of big. I gotta wear like extra large ball caps, but I can put these on. It's not crushing my brain in, you know, it's not putting the squeeze on. So that means that I can wear these comfortably for hours upon hours when I'm out here working in the garage or cutting grass. And also like to use these, we have a large family. If I'm in the house and I need a little quiet time, let's say the kids are kind of loud, you know, kids being kids, I'll just simply go over to the couch, pop these on, connect to my television or connect to my phone, and guess what? I'm in my own little world while everything else is going on, enjoying these headphones. So comfort is awesome. Also like battery life. So once you have a full charge on it, it lasts me like throughout the week. I mean, multiple days on a charge. Plus, the battery life is, it doesn't drain fast. I mean, I've used this multiple times during the week. Let's say I get it down to medium. I'll put them on the shelf. I'll come back months and months later, and guess what? It's still on medium. So not only does it have a good capacity, but it holds a charge really well. And that's another thing I like about them. So if you're in the market for some hearing protection that allow you to not only protect your ears, but enjoy some tunes, enjoy some music, podcasts, whatever it is you like to do, definitely give these 3M Bluetooth capable WorkTunes some consideration.